The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern Natchitoches Parish in northwestern Louisiana, East Central Sabine Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Hornbeck, or 14 miles northwest of Anacoco, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Florien, Fisher, Kisatchie, and Mount Carmel. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana, Natchitoches and Sabine.